In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Spotify on your Forza Horizon 6 radio. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to close out of your game fully. I'm currently on PC for this, and my game is closed. You are going to need to be on PC, and you are going to have Spotify Premium. Otherwise, the mod bugs out, so just keep that in mind. Those are really the only prerequisites you need. You need to be on PC, have Spotify Premium. That's it. From here, what you need to do is open up a web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome for this. We need to go to nexusmods.com/Forza Horizon 6/mods 95 tab images is the full link right here. You're going to see a Spotify radio on here. You can also just go to nexusmods.com, filter by Forza Horizon 6 and search for Spotify radio. Once you do that, what you got to do is scroll down on here and you're going to see a bunch of different stuff. Select manual download right here. It's then going to redirect you a little bit. It'll say free or premium. Obviously, just do the free one. It might prompt you to sign into your account. Make sure you are signed in. And then it'll start downloading. Now, there's like a million different ads that play. Just wait for it to download. It's going to download a zip file up here. Once it finishes downloading, go ahead and just drag that onto your desktop. So drag it onto your desktop. Once you go ahead and do that, you can just back out of this. And you need to extract this. So right click on it, go ahead and find extract all, and then just extract it to your desktop as well. And then you're going to see it just like so. You can go ahead and delete the zip file now. And essentially, once you have this right here, what you need to go ahead and do is open up File Explorer. Once you open up File Explorer, scroll down and go to this PC and then go into your C drive and you need to find the Forza Horizon 6 game folder. For example, for me, mine is through Xbox. So essentially, I'd scroll down, find Xbox games, and then of course, within here, there's a game save folder. In PGS, it's going to be in here, and then you just open up this thing, and this right here, this number, is going to be my game file, just like so. But you could also possibly have this through Steam, for example, as well. In that case, you do need to go into your Steam folder. To do that, go back to like Windows, for example. I think it's in Program Files 86. Yeah, it's right here. Open up Steam. Within here, you're going to see a bunch of different stuff. Find Forza on here. And once you find Forza, it's going to look something like this for you. What you need to do is essentially grab this Spotify radio thing and drag it into your Forza files. You'll see it pop up in here. If it prompts you to like replace files, make sure that you hit replace. And sometimes like your antivirus or Windows security may flag the version DLL file. If that does happen, you just gotta approve it beforehand. And then from here, what you need to do is actually launch Forza Horizon 6. Once you get into Forza Horizon 6, go ahead and load into the game itself. And essentially just like exit out of your garage or estate or, Horizon Festival site. And just go ahead and open up your settings just like so. Once you open up your settings, scroll down to audio. And once you're in audio, scroll down to the radio DJ on here. It's going to look something like this. Go ahead and turn it off so the DJ does not talk over your music at all. You should also turn on streamer mode in-game as well, just like so, just because the regular in-game stations are then going to be disabled. Back out, make sure you hit save and continue. And then what I'd recommend doing is opening up Spotify on either your phone or your desktop. And go to connected devices and just select FH6 radio and then just play music from a playlist. If you only select one song, it may play once and then stop. I'd recommend just playing from a playlist. You can also control Spotify normally. And what's so cool about this is you can do it on your phone. I think that is by far the best thing in the entire game. The fact that I can just run it on my phone instead of on like my computer at the exact same time. If for whatever reason online services stop working, try updating your gaming services. If that didn't fix it, check the mods Discord for help. But that's the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.